Good morning, guys. We are starting new chapter, crystal imperfections. Why you are studying crystal structure? Because it is the most important aspects of material science and engineering. आज many properties of material depend on their crystal structure. बहुत सारे material की properties किस पे depend करता है? crystal structure के ऊपर depend करता है. हम crystal structure को कैसे actually measure करते हैं? एक टेक्निक होता है, उसको बोलते हैं एक्सरे डिफ्रैक्शन. इस टेक्निक के वजह से हम क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर को स्टडी कर पाते हैं. जो साइंस को स्टडी करते हैं, जो ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस इन व्हिच क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सॉलिड्स आर स्टडीज आर कॉल्ड क्रिस्टलोग्राफी. This is the classification of materials. Materials are divided into two types, crystalline and non-crystalline. It is also called amorphous and supercooled liquids. Again, crystallines are divided into two subcategories, what is called single crystal and polycrystal. Single crystal means unit means one unit. Poly means many. Crystalline material is one in which constituent particles like atoms, molecules, ions are arranged in a regular pattern. Crystalline means it is a regular pattern arranged. What is it arranged? Atoms, molecules and ions are arranged in a regular pattern over a large atomic distance in 3D. Single crystal. What is single crystal? It is a periodic and repeated arrangement of atom is perfect, means arrangement of atom is in repeated and periodic order. There is no break in atomic order, and it is arranged in regular and in periodic way and extended over the entire volume. Means in entire volume it is arranged in a regular and periodic way. This is also termed as monocrystalline material. Examples are like sugar crystals, gems, single crystal silicon. Ideal crystal means there is no defects or either there is no impurities. That is called ideal crystal. Polycrystalline means it is composed of many small crystals. Poly means many. Small crystals or grain with different crystallographic orientation. The orientation of crystallographic is in different direction. Polycrystalline materials are stronger than ordinary material. Non-crystalline or amorphous material is one in which constituent particles are arranged in an irregular pattern, but it is in polycrystalline means in a regular pattern. It is in irregular pattern. In crystalline it is regular pattern, but in non-crystalline it is irregular pattern over some atomic distances in 3D. They melt over a range of temperature as all bonds are of not equal strength. In non-crystalline material, strength is low. Fast cooling rate is also fast because it is arranged in a non means there is irregular pattern. Irregular pattern means they have not much of strength, so not no much strength means they are cooling at faster rate. The various terms associated with crystallography are crystal, structure, space lattice, unit cell and primitive cell or simple unit cell. Crystal means is a solid whose constituent atoms or molecules are arranged in a systematic geometric pattern. Molecules atoms are arranged in a systematic geometric pattern. Structure means it is the arrangement or disposition of atoms within a crystal. Space lattice. Atoms are arranged themselves in a distinct pattern in space called space lattice. Means atoms are arranged in a distinct. They are forming a kind of pattern in space. It is called space lattice. Unit cell means smallest group. Smallest group of atoms possessing the symmetry of a crystal. Primitive unit cell or simple unit cell means it is a unit cell is so chosen that it contains lattice point only at its corners. Means this like a cubic structure is there. Means atoms are present in the corners only. it is called simple unit cell or primitive unit cell. Atomic or crystallographic planes. It is the layers of atoms or the planes along which atoms are arranged. It is called atomic or crystallographic planes. Atomic packing factor. It is the ratio of volume of atoms per unit cell by volume of the total unit cell. Means per one atom unit, what is the volume of one atom and total volume of unit cell. Coordination number, it is the number of nearest atoms directly surrounding in a given atom in a crystal. Means suppose this is atom, then its coordination number is nearest, how many atoms are surrounding to him, this means 4, then its atomic number is 4. It is the number nearest atoms directly surrounding a given atom in a crystal. It is called coordination number. Bravais lattice. There is only 40 distinguishable ways of arranging points in three-dimensional space, such that each arrangement conforms to the definition of a space lattice. There is how many ways? There is 14 only ways of arranging atoms in 3D. If all the atoms in at the lattice points are identical, the space lattice are called Bravais lattice. If all the atoms, means this atom, all are like similar, they are all identical, then the space lattice are called Bravais lattice. These Bravais lattice belong to 7 crystal system. What is crystal system? It is a scheme by which crystal structures are classified according to unit cell geometry. They are classified according to unit cell geometry. This geometry is specified in terms of the relationship between the edge length ABC and interaxial angles alpha, beta, gamma. Let's see this cube. This angle are called, this type of angle are called, what is? Alpha, beta, gamma. These are called interaxial angles. And edge length means this A, B, C. These are called edge lengths because they are forming edge of a crystal. So it is called edge lengths. Interaxial means the angle are in the interim angle between these axis, between these axis forming one angle, between these axis means internally forming angles. So interaxial angle, 3 axis means interaxial angles alpha, beta, gamma. There are 7 different crystal systems. They are namely cubic, tetragonal, hexagonal, orthogonal, rhombohedral, monoclinic and triclinic. How to remember all these things? These are crystal system. The left column. How you remember? Q U T. You are just taking 2-3 alphabetic letter of crystal system. O R M O N. You are taking T. How you remember? कुत्ते और मंत्री रोए. कुत्ते और मंत्री रोए. कुत्ते और मंत्री रोए. कुत्ते और मंत्री रोए. समझ गए ना? कुत्ते और मंत्री रोए. In column 2 it is given different lattice parameters like a, b, c axis equal. They are equal axis. Angle also same 90 degree. Examples are given. Similarly for hexagonal, similarly for tetragonal. In tetragonal, AB, two axes are same, but another axis is of different length, and both angles are of 90 degree. Interaxial angles are 90 degree. Examples also given. Similarly, in triclinic, interaxial lengths up of different length, not equal length, and also interaxial angles are of different, not equal angles. In column 3 it is given unit cell geometry, how it looks like, their structure, like how it's looking. Unit cell geometry, it is a unit cell. Unit cell means one unit. Bravais like a simple. How type of structures are there? Simple body center, face center, simple. You are studying about it in the later coming.